Hi guys, hello everybody. Guys, I have a story about this beef. The other day, I made some beef stew. I didn't vlog that one because I made beef stew already before, and because the beef is so big, so I only used a little bit more than half. And oh my gosh, this is the toughest beef I ever had. My gosh. Yeah, I boiled the beef for 3 hours. So for the beef stew that I made, 3 hours I was boiling it, and it's still really tough. So of course I don't want to throw the meat. I was going to throw that beef stew, but Chris ate it anyway. I did not. I just ate all the fat part. But anyway, so this one we're gonna try to do magic. magic with my baking soda. So we'll see if the magic will work. And I'm going to slice it really thin as well. So let's see if all that helps. Slicing it thinly and put baking soda, and then I'm going to make bistek. I made bistek before, but this time I'm going to put potato, because the bistek that I made before I didn't put potato, and this one I will put potato and maybe red bell pepper if I have some. If not, just potatoes and onion. So for the one who doesn't know what is bistek, guys, it's just a Tagalog word for beef steak. bistek, beef steak. So I think that's where it came from. I'm not sure. Bistek, it's Bistek. 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 Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully, cross fingers that it will be tender. So I will slice it like this, and I also going to do it like this against the strand of the beef, because the strand goes this way. So we'll do it this way. Then we'll put a little bit of baking soda, and we are going to marinate it for probably an hour. Hopefully it won't fall apart. Well, it's okay to fall apart because it's bistek. So I'm going to finish it. Then I have garlic. So I'm going to put some garlic. We're going to marinate it. Move this aside. So I'm going to put a little bit of baking soda. Just a little bit. There, that's good enough. Soy sauce. Beef bouillon. And lemon juice. Mixed it all. I'm going to put pepper also. And I'm gonna make sure that I mix it really well so the baking soda will be all over the meat. So hopefully that baking soda will do the trick on this one, because this is really tough. This is the toughest beef I ever had. My goodness. And look how lean it is. If you know me, guys, I do not like lean, very lean meat. This is the only fat right there. That's it. So when I cook this, guys, I'm going to use the oil that I use from frying my pork before, pan frying my pork before that the fat from the pork came out. That will give extra flavor to our bistek. That's it. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge and marinate it for few hours. So guys, here's the beef that I marinated. I'm just going to pan fry it for now, and I'm using this oil. It's actually pork fat that I got from my pork that I cooked a few days ago. I want to use it to add flavor to our very lean beef. And then I'm just going to cook the beef on that pork fat. But we still have to saute this later though. I'm just cooking it like this and then boil it for a long time. After we boil it, we're going to saute it. I'm going to add a lot of water, and I'm just going to boil this until it's tender. And while we are waiting for that to boil, I am going to peel some garlic and onions and potatoes. And I have a trick, guys. I put this hole here and I open the garbage, and this is my trick. I just pour everything on that hole. So it's easy access. Ain't that a nice trick, guys? Ain't that cool, huh? Ta-da! There, then just close the garbage. I have water and I'm going to soak the potato so it doesn't turn brown. And for the onions, I want big cut like that. Thick cut. And the garlic, I leave it like that. I'll just press it a little bit more, but I won't mince it. Then we need some bay leaves, peppercorn. I put a little bit of achuete. So guys, I tried the beef already and it's a little bit tender already, so I am going to remove it from the broth. Look how lean. This beef don't have fat whatsoever. Maybe that's why it's really tough. And I'm saving the broth. Going to pan fry the potato. And a little bit more olive oil. And the garlic. Onions, secret, guys. I'm going to add butter because the beef is so lean. So that butter will help. Guys, when I was little, because I keep saying that since I was 9 years old, I started cooking. I love hearing the Play-Doh hitting the pan. And I made sure when I cook, I make that noise like this. Like that, purposely, because I like listening to it. Okay, now I'm going to add the beef. Pepper, the achuete, just a little bit. Little bit of soy sauce. Then the bay leaf and the peppercorn. I know there's some people, guys, they don't like the peppercorn, but I like it. I like it when I chew it. I know I don't like spicy, but for that one I like chewing it. Okay, and then I'm going to put the broth back. See how when there's a suete, guys, it looks really pretty. The color is prettier. I'm gonna let that boil again. I'm going to put the potato now. I wanna put red bell pepper, but I don't have some. We'll just wait until the potatoes are cooked and we are done. Okay, guys, I think it's done already because the broth is already thick. So guys, in cooking, you don't rush everything. See, the longer you wait, the tastier it will get. And it is done. And I like the way how I cook the potato because it's not mushy. It's not really soft. Turn the heat off now. Let's start tasting it. I hope it tastes good because it looks good. So hopefully the magic of that baking soda works. Look how beautiful the broth looks. Really shiny because of the butter. Guys, let us try if that baking soda trick worked. So let's try for the thick piece. Where's the thick piece? I guess it's this one. So I'm just going to use the fork and the spoon to see if it is tender. Yeah, I guess it is tender. Let us try if it is tender. It looks so good. Look how shiny the meat because of the butter. because this doesn't have fat at all. So I guess the butter helps. Let's try it. Wow. Well, I guess the baking soda never fails. This is how I want my potato. I mean, it's cooked, but it's still a little, just a little hard in the middle. Not really, really hard, but not mushy at all. Like I can still bite it. That's why I only use Yukon Gold potatoes, guys. Because I like the texture of it. There you go, guys. That is the magic baking soda. Because I didn't really boil this for a long time, like the other half, the one I made stew. I boiled it for 3.5, and it was so tough. This one I only boiled it for about 45 minutes, and it is a success. So there you go, guys. Now you know the trick. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Chris and I will enjoy our dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll enjoy our dinner now. Happy eating, everyone. Bye for now.